practice your English. I read white. You read yellow. The ultimate duck whisperer. Conversation between brother and sister Anna and Jake. I'll play the role of Anna and you'll play the role of Jake. We'll start by listening to the entire dialogue and then we'll move on to practicing it. Let's start. Jake, look at that group of ducks over there. They're just chilling by the pond.
I bet I can get them to come over here.
You, the duck whisperer, this I gotta see.
Watch and learn, dear sister. Ducks love me.
Is it because you smell like bread?
Very funny. No, it's because of my magnetic personality.
Or maybe it's because you always have crumbs on your shirt.
Details, details. Here, hold my bag while I work my magic.
All right, let's see this in action. Go ahead, duck whisperer.
Hey, quackers, who wants a snack?
You really think they understand you?
Of course, we speak the universal language of snacks.
Is that why you always have chips in your pockets?
A true whisperer is always prepared. Look, they're waddling over.
Wow, they actually are. I'm impressed.
Told you, it's all about confidence and snacks.
I'm going to have to try this out next time.
Good luck. The ducks are pretty picky about their friends.
Or maybe they just know you're an easy target for treats.
Either way, I win. Look how happy they are.
You've made some feathered friends today, Jake.
That's what I do. I bring joy to all creatures, great and small.
Okay, duck whisperer, what's next on the agenda? Let's practice your English. Now.
Jake, look at that group of ducks over. They're just chilling by the pond.
You, the duck whisperer, this I gotta see. Is it because you smell like bread? Or maybe it's because you always have crumbs on your shirt. All right, let's see this in action. Go ahead, duck whisperer. You really think they understand you?
A true whisperer is always prepared. Look, they're waddling over.
Wow, they actually are. I'm impressed.
I'm going to have to try this out next time. Or maybe they just know you, an easy target for treats. You've made some feathered friends today, Jake. Okay, duck whisperer, what's next on the agenda? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.